come on the driver's side, and you're gonna open this, and you're also gonna remove 3 clips here, which is one here, here, and here. Once you take those off, you have access to this harness here, and this is mostly just to move it away so you can. There was some tape here, you got to pull it back, and you can unravel it a little bit, and you have to get access here and try to get this cable. It's a green and red cable. This is going to be your power cable. This cable is where you would tap in your fuse. So this is the fuse, and it's going to go from the driver's side, and then your ground is going to be hooked up here. And then to route the cable, you're gonna open this is like this radiator. So from the driver's side here, I've already taped it off. Here's the fuse. Route it through here. You can pull this and then just route cable from here down here. So this is the fuse, and it gets grounded right here, and it keeps going. This is the factory. There's some factory cables here, so I just kind of routed it through there, put some tape, tightened it up here. This is the cable for the RGB, and this is a ribbon cable right here. So this goes from the on the top to the bottom, and this cable comes in here, gets plugged here to these watertight connectors, and it gets routed through here. And here we have the 2 controllers. So there's that one, and there's this one right there. So those are the 2 controllers. And then from here, the cable gets routed all the way down. You're gonna want to open this as a T25, route it through, and it's gonna keep going all the way to the passenger side. So you can kind of see it. I pulled it out here. So this is coming all the way from that side. This is gonna make its way to the passenger side right here. And from here, you can see, and I got some excess cable here, so I just kind of loosely zip tied that. And this is going down to the bottom DRL, and the top DRL is here on the passenger side, and here's the ribbon cable, and this should complete the install. And this is what it looks like, all buttoned up. You can barely see any of the cables, except for these. These are the watertight connectors, controls underneath, cable from here going all the way down to the passenger side, and that's it.